Lang sir kung merong isinusulong po si Senator Ping Lacson, yung designated survivor na bill na para maging malinaw, aside from yung usual line of succession, kakaroon na mag-a-appoint ng isang cabinet member na pwedeng mag-act as president in extraordinary circumstance, sir, na mag-result in death or permanent disability ng president and other officials. Sir, you think it's worth considering po?
Well, parang napanood ko na yan eh. Kaya lang na lahat na wipe out. So kailangan may designated survivor, pero that will be that will be a far-fetched eventuality na talagang halos lahat mawawala, no? May line of, I think we already have a line of succession at present, no? Si President, Vice President, Senate President, and then Speaker and Chief Justice. So parang imposible naman na yung limang yun may mangyari, no? With the political situation ngayon, parang imposible na magsama ang presidente at vice presidente sa isang lugar. So may iwan talagang isa. So pero but that's worth exploring para nga in extraordinary situation kung talagang mangyari in the event talagang maubos yung line of succession hanggang sa fifth position, then that will be worth considering.
Sir, para lang daw kasi siya ma-assure, sir, kung sakaling may mangyaring gano'n, na tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ikot ng gobyerno, sir, yung proseso.
Yeah, we can take a look on that. Kaya nga magkakaroon tayo ng hearing, then pag-aralan po natin.